From bustling hospital hallways to quiet late-night shifts, every nurse has a story to tell. But how do you capture all that in just a few pages of a CV? Hi students! I am Enzo, and today, I am going to help you craft the perfect CV that does justice to your nursing portfolio. Together, we will follow a checklist to make sure your skills and experiences are properly highlighted. So, let's begin. Let's first take a look at what we will cover today. Our checklist is composed of several key sections: contact details, professional profile, education, skills summary, relevant experience, other experiences, professional development, additional information, and references. However, creating a CV can seem like a daunting task. But don't worry, there are various resources available online to help. So, let's choose a professional CV template that speaks to us. For example, let's choose Career Hub for the reference. Now that our template is chosen, it's time to bring it to life. Our secret weapon here is using the right keywords pulled directly from job advertisements and descriptions. So, start with your contact details and craft a compelling professional profile, as this is your chance to show off your qualifications, skills, and experiences. Next, under education, showcase your academic journey. Include your education providers and any specific nursing certifications you've earned. Moving on, let's dig into your skills summary and relevant experience. This is where you get to show off what makes you the perfect fit for the job. So, be strategic and relevant. And lastly, do the finishing touches and proofread professional development activities, additional relevant information, and references who can vouch for you. And there you have it. A comprehensive, professional CV ready to pave your way to your next nursing role. A true reflection of your nursing journey. Remember, crafting the perfect CV is not just about listing your skills and experiences. It's about telling your unique nursing story in a way that resonates with potential employers. It's about illustrating your dedication, your passion, and your potential to make a difference in healthcare. It might take time, but it's definitely worth the effort. Now, before we part ways, let's remember one thing. A CV is never a one-and-done deal. It's a living document that grows and evolves with you throughout your nursing career. So, keep it updated, keep it relevant, and above all, keep it true to you. Here's to you and your remarkable journey in the world of nursing. Good luck!